So today we are going to look at how you can deploy a Sapper application on Moovweb XDN. Before getting started though, make sure you complete these three steps. Sign up for a free Moovweb account, install XDN CLI, and finally, make sure you have a Sapper project running on your local system. You can check developer.moovweb.com for more details on these. Right, so let's first take a look at the project running on my local system. We can then simply do npm run dev, and as you can see here, it's a pretty lightweight site. It only consists of a few pages. It's simply a very basic blog site. That's all there is to it. I do want to highlight that all of the steps we'll talk about here is documented on developer.moovweb.com, as you can see over here. Okay, so now we already have a project on the local. So the first step we have to do is to initialize XDN. This will add all the scripts that are required for us to be able to do a successful deployment. Since I'm also using Webpack to bundle my application, we also need to make sure to bundle all of our dependencies in the server build. For that, we'll need to go to webpack.config.js and then update the externals parameters over here. So that is, we need to update that to be encoding, just like that. And that's about it. If you're using Rollup or something else, you should refer to the documentation for more details on this. With that done, all that is left to do is just XDN deploy. Here we go. This should only take a few seconds for us to complete. That's almost complete now. Yep. Once that's complete, we can use the build URL here to check our build status. How long did it take? What XDN version we are using? We also have the live site URL here, and we also have something called a permalink, which circumvents the edge network when returning a response. So our website here is working perfectly. I did want to talk about one more thing. Uh, let's look at the live site URL here. If we go to the website, this was served from the edge. All it took was about 1 second for this load to complete, right? Now let's look at the permalink URL, which was not served from the edge. If you notice here, it took about 1 second for the text to load, and then approximately about 600 milliseconds for the image to load. So even when we are working with such a lightweight website here, having an edge network does provide you with a substantial performance improvement. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.